Mysterious death. A well-known Grand Rapids eye doctor in good health suddenly dies at home. Months later, no answers. Not even a veteran Kent County medical examiner can figure out why. Target 8's Mark Thompson started working this story after a tip to report it.
It's a mystery Kent County medical examiner Dr. Stephen Cole may never solve. What caused the death of Dr. Brian Bearie?
Once we make the diagnosis of glaucoma...
Dr. Bearie was a well-known Grand Rapids eye doctor who died alone in his Rockford home last March at just 50 years old. As it stands now, the cause of death is listed as indeterminable.
That's very frustrating. This case was probably unique in the many years that I've been doing forensic pathology.
After not answering phone calls, a family member found Dr. Bearie in the bedroom, wearing just socks, underwear, and a T-shirt. Kent County Sheriff's Detective Russ Larson says a few items were disturbed in the home, knocked over on the floor, but nothing to indicate a clear sign of struggle. There was no forced entry, and Dr. Bearie's cash and electronic devices were still in the house, not enough to signal foul play. As for the body, there were minor scrapes on the doctor's face and arms.
It could be self-inflicted. They're not severe enough or specific enough to say clearly that someone else did it.
Dr. Cole performed a complete autopsy on the body, which turned up nothing.
Other things that we did were a drug screen looking for drugs of abuse as well as prescription drugs. That was essentially negative.
As for possible causes, Dr. Cole has but a few: an abused inhalant or paint fumes, or perhaps an undetectable heart condition.
Actually subtle electrical abnormalities of the heart, which can cause a spontaneous fatal heart rhythm. The best known of these is long QT syndrome,
which Cole says is extremely rare.
And we did obtain a medical history which did not include that. So I'm ruling that out as a likely possibility, but it's a possible one because it would explain his death.
Yeah, that's probably the...
Dr. Bearie's sudden passing has been devastating on his family, a wife and 3 children from a previous marriage, all left in the dark. Not knowing, they admit, has caused a strain between some as they speculate the what-ifs, and was there something more to his untimely death?
If I thought there was foul play involved, I would have certified this as a homicide. I have certified it as indeterminable.
Dr. Cole says only 1% of cases with people Dr. Bearie's age go undetermined. Kent County detectives conducted a full list of interviews with family and co-workers, but as far as they're concerned, the case is closed unless new evidence turns up or someone comes forward with new information. Mark Thompson, 24 Hour News 8.